I hope you guys are all having a productive day. EasyAutoFix here, and today we're going to learn symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. The purpose of the wheel bearings is to allow the wheels to spin freely while supporting the weight of the car. A severely worn out bearing can cause the wheels to come off while driving, so it's critical to not ignore the symptoms I'll discuss today. The first symptom you could be experiencing with your car is hearing noises when driving. You could hear growling, rumbling, or humming sounds, and they will typically get louder as you increase speed. The sound will be coming from the wheel that has the defective wheel bearing. The way you can figure out which bearing is affected is by driving and turning the wheel at the same time. For example, if you turn the steering wheel to the right and the noise gets louder, this could mean the wheel bearing on the left side of the front wheel is defective. This is because the weight of the vehicle is transferred to the left side when turning right, creating more pressure for the defective wheel bearing to handle. The second symptom of a bad wheel bearing is a loose steering wheel. If the wheel bearing wears out, it's going to create excessive play in that wheel. This is why the steering wheel feels loose when turning left or right. It will also get worse when you drive over rough surfaces such as bumpy roads. This leads to the next symptom, vibrations in the steering wheel. You'll notice the steering wheel shake and get worse as you increase speed. This is caused by a worn out wheel bearing causing the wheels to wobble as you're driving. Since the wheels are connected to the tie rods and the tie rods are connected to the steering rack, the vibrations will be felt in the steering wheel. The last symptom of a faulty wheel bearing is having the ABS light on. This occurs in some vehicles because the ABS sensor is attached to the wheel hub assembly, which houses the wheel bearings. When the bearings go out, it can cause the ABS light to come on. Now, if you guys need step-by-step instructions on how to replace the wheel bearing for your exact car, I'll leave an excellent repair manual in the description below.